Hello, my name is Oliver Schmidt. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple II emulator AppleWin to run my A2Stream program. This program features glitch-free, high-quality internet audio streaming on the Apple II. The latest version of AppleWin makes it really easy to run A2Stream. There is no more need to install an additional library and, most important, there is no more need for an Ethernet connection. Rather, Wi-Fi works just fine. AppleWin doesn't need to be installed, just unzip and run. Now we enter the configuration dialog and select the Ethernet settings. There we set Ethernet to Ethernet 2 and make sure that the virtual DNS is enabled. That's all. After closing the configuration dialog, we confirm to restart the emulator. Now it's time to boot the virtual A2Stream disk. Simply drag and drop the downloaded DSK file into the AppleWin window. After the successful boot, we quit the basic interpreter and select the A2Stream system program. Here, A2Stream asks for the URL to stream. Let's head over to the A2Stream site, select one of the sample files, and press Ctrl+C to copy the URL into the clipboard. Back in AppleWin, we press Shift-Insert to paste the URL into the A2Stream program. Pressing Enter is all that's left to do. The sound quality is noticeably inferior to a real Apple II, but it's nevertheless great that now everybody with a wireless Windows notebook can experience A2Stream. Look ma, no cables! Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like the video.